Hello from PhotoBook PHaNaTiC. This short introduction discusses the purpose of our videos and showcases some of our PhotoBook pages to be shown in future videos. PhotoBook PHaNaTiC design videos give viewers inspiring ideas on how to create PhotoBook pages that are interesting and engaging to readers using Shutterfly media. Not only are pages aesthetically pleasing with coordinating colors and embellishments, but they also create an experience where the reader feels emotion, considers thoughts, or learns from a story. Go ahead and use these ideas for your photo books. Take your photo books from just a collection of images to an actual experience that can be shared with your family and generations to come. Be sure to watch my design videos to understand how to create your own pages, as well as recipe videos that display exactly the colors, embellishments, and ribbons I use to create a page, and then you can replicate it for yourself as I have done. Here are some PhotoBook pages that I have recipe videos on. I have one for this cute beach scene. I have a video for this outdoorsy theme. This would be great for camping, hiking, just adventuring in the great outdoors. I have another one that's a red, white, and blue theme. This would be great for historical, Father's Day, July 4th. Happy New Year. This cute turquoise and gold theme. And then one of my personal favorites, this is a table of contents. I use this on the very first page of my photo books, and it kind of showcases the different topics and adventures that were occurring during the vacation. And I also have the page number, so that way readers can get interested in what's to come. Hope you enjoyed my videos. Take care and have a great day.